Here we are at the river. Me and Jill, my little buddy. Oh, you see? There we go. I'm here with my bando bag for close encounters. It's nice. We have the Jeep. We can come down here anytime now we've cleared this out. This is what it's all about right here. It's so pretty. I love this. I'm a little concerned, however, about this. What is over here? Maybe nothing. Maybe a coyote den. Do you have bear in this country? My neighbor told me there's like 5 bears he's got on his trail cam last year. One was like 500 pounds. There we go, right before sunset. Probably not gonna stay too much longer. Just came down to visit. So pretty, so tranquil. Saw a fish earlier today with Andrea coming upstream. I don't know what it was. It was big though. Might have been muskie. The plan is to eventually kayak down here and then stop here and get the Jeep, take the kayaks back up to the house. There's a place up the road we can put in at. Hopefully the water's high enough to where we don't get stuck in everything. It looks pretty low right now though. Anyway, just here hanging out the river. Probably about 8:09 here in Lansing, Tennessee. So you can see how pretty it is here on the river, but not only that, but look at this. How pretty is this? Beautiful out here. God's country. All right, here we are back in the Jeep. In certain circles, this is considered an automotive piece of art. Time to go home. Hey, thanks for watching.